Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python programming effectively on your mobile device. We'll dive into the best tools and strategies to get you coding on the go, proving that a smartphone or tablet can be a powerful learning platform. You can truly master Python fundamentals using just your mobile device. It's all about choosing the right applications and adopting smart learning habits to make the most of your screen time. To kickstart your mobile Python journey, consider powerful integrated development environments like Pidroid 3 for Android users, offering a full Python 3 experience. For those on iOS, Pythonista provides a robust and versatile coding environment. Additionally, interactive learning apps such as Solo Learn and Mimo offer structured courses and engaging exercises, making complex concepts easy to grasp right from your phone.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like. And on another note, staying hydrated is key for focused learning. The Owala water bottle keeps your water cold for hours, helping you concentrate on those tricky Python problems. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Effective mobile learning hinges on smart strategies. Break down larger Python concepts into smaller, digestible modules that are easier to tackle during short bursts of study. Make a habit of consistent daily practice, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Regularly review your code and actively debug any errors directly on your device to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. While mobile learning is convenient, you can enhance your experience. Consider using an external Bluetooth keyboard for more comfortable and efficient typing, especially for longer coding sessions. If possible, occasionally connect your device to a larger screen for better code visibility. Focus on mastering foundational Python concepts first, building a strong base before moving on to more complex projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.